Are you searching for a comprehensive forklift certification course that ensures your operators meet OSHA requirements? Look no further. CertifyMe.Net is your trusted partner for forklift safety certification and training. Did you know 1 out of 6 workplace accidents involves a forklift? That's why safety is no joke, and it's super important to know the rules. OSHA, the federal regulator of work safety, says if you're using a forklift, you've got to have your team certified. No ifs, ands, or buts. Forklift training isn't just a good idea, it's a must-do. It keeps your worksite safe and sound. Plus, you get to avoid those costly OSHA fines. Our online forklift program is a breeze. Learn from anywhere, anytime. All you need is the internet. It's super easy and perfect for folks who like learning at their own pace. With a few quick quizzes, we make sure your team gets the hang of it all, from operating forklifts safely to tackling tough spots on the job. But that's not all. After hitting the books online, your team shows off their forklift skills in person to a real-deal certified trainer. The best part is, you can do it all in-house without having to sacrifice a day of productivity to send your team to a costly off-site training facility. Worried about costs? Don't sweat it. With us, you train your employees once, and you get free certification renewals for life. That's an industry-exclusive feature. Okay, quiz time. What's forklift certification? It's when you're trained up, checked out by a trainer, and your boss gives the thumbs up. Remember, unsafe forklift driving, forgetting refreshers every 3 years, and not getting your team certified are no good. Ready to get your team forklift savvy? Let's keep your site accident-free and OSHA compliant. Drop us a line, and let's make safety happen. Because when forklifts are around, it's smart to play it safe. Got questions about forklift certification? Let's answer some of the most common questions. What does being forklift certified actually mean? It's when you've completed formal training, aced an evaluation, and your employer has given the green light. We also provide a printed certificate and wallet card mailed to you. And OSHA's requirements. They're strict for a reason. Every forklift operator needs to be trained on the specific equipment they'll use. They also need to know how to maintain the equipment as well as operate it. So, why is certification such a big deal? It's your shield against accidents. Knowing your stuff means you're safer, and so is everyone else on the job site. Plus, your forklift won't turn into an accidental wrecking ball. Common violations. Top of the list is unsafe operation. It's a no-go to run a forklift if you're distracted, untrained, or just ignoring the rules. And remember, refresher training isn't just good to have, it's a must-have every 3 years. Ready to get your team up to speed? Forklift certification isn't just about ticking a box. It's about keeping your site running safely and smoothly. OSHA insists on it because accidents aren't just bad news, they can be tragic. Don't let your site be a statistic. Be smart, be safe, and let's get your team forklift certified. Reach out now for the tools to build a safer workplace. With CertifyMe.Net, lifting your safety standards is what we do best.